Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will show you how to easily add social media icons on your Shopify store and how to increase your online presence, and step by step how to customize and place icons for Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and also YouTube. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify account. Then after you verify your account with your email address and your phone number, then go directly to your online store section on the left side, then hit online store. Then guys, go and click on themes. Then guys, after you click on themes, then go and select your theme that you want to create the website on your Shopify store. For example, this one. Then if you want to add another, you can select one of these on Shopify store. Then guys, for example, this one, go on the right side and hit on customize. Then this is your website that you want to work with for creating your online store. Then guys, if you want to add the social media icons, for example Facebook, Instagram, Twitters, just go directly to on the left side and on your screen and click on theme settings, then hit on theme settings. Then guys, you need to scroll down to social media section in the middle, then hit on social media. Then again scroll down. Then guys, you can add your Facebook link, Instagram link and Twitter link and TikTok and all social media icons. Then if you want to add, for example, Facebook, just go and open your Facebook account, then on the top hit on account, then click on your profile, then go directly on the search bar and copy the link, then go back and paste it on this in the blank. Again, for example, for Instagram, for example for YouTube, just open your YouTube channel, then and open your profile, then in the search bar copy the link, then again go directly and paste it on the blank of your YouTube. Then guys, if you want to add, for example, TikTok, Twitter, or social media icons, after you adding the links, go directly on the top and hit on save on the top. Then automatically the links it will add it, and the icons it will add it to your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.